Python programming tutorial. Today we'll be discussing about operations that we can apply on dictionaries. So let's begin with creating one and then applying operations on it. As discussed earlier, dictionary is a collection of unordered, changeable and indexed items. So let's create a dictionary first and then print the values of it. To create a dictionary, let's take dict1 as my variable for storing my dictionary is equal to, then beginning with the curly brackets. Now I am creating a dictionary where I'll be storing data of various students. So this is how we will store the data. After every key and then putting in the value, we will give a comma. Then closing and printing. Don't forget the parenthesis. And this is what I get. Now if I want to access my dictionary, how will I do that? Either I will write print dict1, or I can also print it in the form with the help of loop. So for x in dict1, print x. Now let's see what does this give me. This gives me just the keys here, name, class and year. If I want to print the value, I will use for x in dict1, print dict1. Inside I'm writing x as the value. So let's see what I get here. I get the answers. Now suppose I want to print values again. There is another method for doing that. Using the values function. We can also access particular values or particular keys. For that we will write x equal to dict1 and the value that is to be received, that is class, suppose. So I get that is 10. Here we can see the value of x was 10 because class was 10. Suppose I want to retrieve a value for name. So I will write here x is equal to dict1 and let's print, and I get the name as John. Also you can use get keyword. We will use it instead of writing here dict and writing the name directly. We will use x is equal to dict1 dot get and inside double quotations right here year. is whatever the values you've substituted or you've added in your dictionary. Now moving on to how do I change the values that I've already written here. So for that, I just simply need to write dict1, the name of my dictionary, and the value for is, suppose I don't want to write John as the name, I would write name here because this is the key that is to be changed, and then I will write is equal to and write here name Max, and then I will print my dictionary and I get name as Max now, class again 10th, and year 2020. Now how do I check if a value is there in the dictionary or not? So for that, I will use my if statement that we've already discussed. If, then writing the name, that is year, suppose year in dict1, whether it's there or not, print, let's see if year is there or not, print yes if it's there, else you can also give an else statement, print yes. So let's see if it's there or not. Yes, year is there. Now the length. Now length is common for all the various data types that we've discussed. Just write here print len as my keyword and dict1, and I get 3. These are the 3 keys that we've added. So it's not counting the number of alphabets that you've used, but the keys and the values that you've given to the dictionary. Now moving on to add. How do you add it another key and then add the value to it? Dict1. Now I'm adding subject as another key, subject. I don't need the square brackets here. I'm writing here math as my subject. And now I'm going to print my dictionary. Now I've added subject as maths. Now let's remove. So if we see here, we are done with creating a dictionary and printing the values, accessing them, changing the values, applying loops. Length also is done. Adding items in the dictionary is also done. Now coming on to removing element can also be there. Removing the entire dictionary can also be there. So let's start with pop function that is used to delete or remove a specified key. So how will we do that? Dict1 dot pop, and inside it you will write what keys to be deleted. Let's write here year. I write this. So it has deleted 2020. Now let's print my dictionary, and I no longer see the year key here, and I just have name, class and subject. Now pop item is used to delete the last inserted element. I am creating my dictionary with one as a, two as B. I'm just creating 2 elements here, and that's it. dictionary with two methods. One is putting my dictionary into dot copy. So let's see if this command works. Print. Now I'm going to print my dict1 and I get this as my new dictionary. Or I can also use dict function. Now I'll create another name for this. Suppose new dictionary is equal to dict and my original dictionary, that is my dict. Let's print my, and again we get the dictionary here. Now coming on to the last part, that is nested dictionaries. For that, let's start from the scratch. My class as my dictionary. Student1 as my another dictionary inside my main dictionary. Comma, then starting with my doing the same thing, and again closing this as well. And since we'll be closing the main one also, I close it here. Now we are out of our dictionary. This is how you will create a nested dictionary. Now let's and this is what you get. So you can apply the same operations that you've applied on a single dictionary to nested dictionaries as well. This is it for today. I hope you've understood everything. Thank you very much for watching.